Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Guild Wars 2 error code 49.4.5.4709.101. As per our research, this error appears when players try to switch servers in the game. One user shared that they selected the EU server by mistake, while all their guild members were on the North America server. When they tried to switch servers using gems, they got this error and the game crashed immediately. According to the information we found, this error may be related to a restriction on how often players can change servers. It is not officially confirmed, but there might be a cooldown period between server transfers. First, consider if you have recently changed servers. There may be a limit on how frequently you can switch, possibly once per week. If that's the case, you may need to wait before attempting another switch. If you haven't switched servers recently and have already tried general steps like restarting the game and your device, then we recommend creating a support ticket with Guild Wars 2 support. At this point, they will be able to assist you further. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.